Hey everyone, it's Daniel here with the Get Outdoors by YouTube channel, and I'm going to try and survive tonight with cheap Amazon gear. It could be good, could be bad. I don't know, we'll find out in the morning.
This land holds great beauty.
Well, just found ourselves a nice little spot here. Time to get ready. Stay close. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Teddy. He's just having so much fun right now. Everybody thinks he's a dog proper for inside, but trust me, he loves getting dirty. Don't you, Teddy? Are you looking for rabbits? Teddy, you having fun?
Oh yeah.
properly staked to the ground, shouldn't go nowhere. And we had a nice and flat floor. That'll be a bonus. Gonna spoil myself here. This tent, because I got some foam pads. Now, I don't know where Teddy's gone. He's out enjoying this place. Whew. It's getting cold here quick. We had a major cold snap every day. I think it was hovering around negative 25 degrees Celsius, but today is a little bit warmer. I think we're hovering around 2 degrees, but you can feel temperatures really starting to drop. So I gotta get this set up ASAP. Got my boots for inside the tent so I don't get everything wet. Camping in luxury. Now let's get these pads set up. What? All right. There's a nice bit of room in here. Put my keys and phone away. Oh, I can already feel this floor is absolutely freezing. So, time to put these guys on. Oh yeah. Shade dandy, boy. Straight nice and warm, boy. Oh, better get this outside. Tripod full of snow. Try to do the best I can. These are, oh, by the way, so every bit of gear I got, so I just moved from St. John's, Newfoundland to here in Calgary, Alberta, so I didn't have no camping gear with me. Anything I did have, I sold or threw out in the garbage before I moved. So every bit of gear I currently have, either it came from Amazon or Marketplace buys. So I tried to go as cheap as possible, so hopefully stuff holds up. Yeah, this floor, oh my god, it must be at least -5 on the floor at least. It's pretty cold. Well, at least I have some stuff to burn. Oh, look who came to join us. Ted? What are you doing? Looking for Wesley Webbits? Alright, let's time lapse this. Well, got that done. I had to cut some off, and I was using my knife, and I got, oh my god, just literally millimeters away from poking one of the ear tubes. So that would have been a disaster. So now I get the floor down. I'm gonna clean this up. I probably have an extra couple of pads, so now I can actually use for sit pads outside, and I have one extra whole piece. So that's great. At least I got I can actually feel the floor is a lot warmer right now. Before I put the floor down, it was absolutely freezing. So I'm gonna get my wood stove in here. I have to cut the stove jack. because it's brand new, and I'll get the stove set up and I'll start bringing the rest of my stuff. Teddy's just out having an absolute blast for himself. He comes around now and then. He don't really take off. He's pretty territorial over his owners, me, but I can see him down there. There's a little lake down there, and he's down venturing around. Come on, what are you up by? Get over by. Come on. Come on before the grizzly bears gets ya. He just loves it. Come here. Whew. Oh, he got him. Oh, there he is. What are you doing? Alright. I gotta cut this stove jack. I gotta cut 2 pieces. This has to be cut right here. Oh, I did not like doing that. So I gotta stick on another stove piece, and just to see where it's coming out. Now, I don't really like how low that is. So if I get any sparks coming out of here, it's going to hit my tent. So, probably going to have to find something to raise the stove up at least another foot. We'll see. I suppose it would be proper. Can you eat me old flappy hat? What are you doing? Oh. Are you having fun? So yes it is, boy. I'm having lots of fun, boy. Yes. Come here. Are you be careful now, don't need your legs broken again. He never actually broke a leg, but Teddy needs to get surgery in the near future because he has arthritis in both of his knees, which is shocking considering he's only 6 years old. But ever since he's a puppy, he's been highly active. And he's been feeling a little bit good the last probably 4 or 5 days. So he's been running a little crazy, trying to burn off excess energy because he hasn't done this or played since, I believe, is June is when he originally hurt his leg. So he's having the time of his life. Yeah. Now, boss, I'm a newfie, right? I can't cut no circles. I can only do squircles. That's probably going to leak. That was a terrible idea. So after this, or next trip, I'm probably going to have to get another stove jack because that's pitiful. Well, took a little bit of trial and error, but I think I got things set up. Teddy just enjoying the view. So I just got my wood stove set up. I found something in the car that actually I wasn't even aware it was there. So I found this, they're like front window sun heat visors. So I made my little makeshift heat reflector behind my wood stove. And probably help prevent not burn the tent down. Well, I got almost everything straightened away here. I got the cast iron getting hot because I'm going to make steak for me and Teddy. And he's just enjoying himself. Hey Teddy! Teddy! What are you doing? Food for Teddy. Some hot dog bun. Snacks for tonight. More snacks. Some blueberries for tomorrow. Potatoes. And steaks for me and Teddy. You know what I forgot? Damn it. I forgot to get a mitt or something to lift this around because this is gonna be stupid hot and I have nothing to lift it around with. I don't know what I'm gonna do for there. You want to come in? Come in. Ted, come in. Teddy. Are you coming inside? Come in. Oh. Come in. Come in. Come in. This thing cooking. Eat your food. Pick this up. Food. Get my bread down next to the fire. Hopefully it'll warm up, let it rise a little bit. It'll be a snack for later. Homemade bread and honey butter. Probably as close to medium rare gonna get. I'm having a little trouble trying to get Teddy to come in the tent. Seems like he's a little bit spooked by it. And I don't like the idea how he's just sitting on the cold ground. So I gotta try and get him in here, but I'm gonna give him some steak here now. He's probably pretty hungry. He only had a little bit of kibble. It's the first thing he ate today, so try to give him some food and some water. Here, come over, get some steak. Come over. It good? One more. Spooked out about it's either the fire or the tent. Oh, Teddy.
Just smell it.
Here, Ted.
Oh man, it's good. Come over. Come over here. You don't need to be afraid. Big pussycat. Here. Why are you afraid? Come over. Here. You gonna sit there? Sit. You wanna sit? Here, come over. Here. Come over. Over, sit. Come here. Why are you being so skittish? Hey, come over. I think Teddy's a little bit terrified to fire for some reason. It's not really a common thing because he's after doing this several times. Hey guys, here's just with Michael from Vision Studios.
What up?
Check out his YouTube, I'll link it below. So as I mentioned, I'm new here in Alberta. I've only been here since August, so I didn't really know where to go, and I learned a lot of things about Crown land. So back in Newfoundland you can pretty much camp anywhere and have fires, chop down trees, but here that's not the case. So I didn't know where to go, so we got tied up with each other in Facebook, and here we are, first camping trip.
Yep, winter.
It's going to get cold tonight. I think it's going to get really damn cold.
It's pretty warm right now.
Yeah, right now, but I looked at the temperature for tonight. It's supposed to dip down like -10. So we'll see how the Amazon tent works out. Teddy, you want steak? Come over. Here. Come over.
This is a great spot, man.
It's nice. I'm glad there's nobody. Well, there was a couple of cars came by, but for the most part, it was pretty quiet.
Yeah.
You want to be down here and then, you know, trying to sleep at night and there's cars just zooming back and forth. Teddy, why are you all the way over there? So I tried to get him in tent. He had a little bit of a freak out, and ever since then now he's like, he don't want to come around me.
Too warm for him? Or?
I don't know. I think he got kind of sketched out because like I was trying to put him in the tent.
Yeah. Like, is he gonna trap me? He's gonna leave me here, right?
Yeah. So I don't know. I'm trying to get him to come over to eat. But I'm gonna cut some pieces up and bring it over him.
Yeah, I'm still pretty shot.
So yeah, just to let everybody know, I always used to camp and stuff when I was younger, but I came across this guy on YouTube, Luke with the Outdoor Boys. So I kind of grew a fascination, but I'm not really doing what he does. He'd probably laugh at me if he'd seen what I got set up. Alright, I'm gonna try to get Teddy over, get some food. He's just chilling out over here by himself. I don't know what's up with him. You want some food? What? Why are you in the snow? You're gonna be freezing. You want steak? Are you gonna come over? Or are you just gonna stay over here by yourself? Pretend you're a wolf. that good? Look. Oh, look at that. Harry, are you gonna come over here? Or are you gonna stay over here all by yourself? You coming over? Come in. Let's go. Come in. Hey, over this way. Come over. Just making sure not burned down. We're not going in the car. Come over here.
Outdoor boy probably have an editor, right?
No, he does it all himself.
Editing?
Yeah.
How many posts a week? Once a week?
He was doing every Saturday, now it's every second Saturday, I think. But he got over 1,000 videos. No.
I'm gonna come in, bro.
Yeah, sure.
Can I bring my chair in there?
Yes, lots of them. Let's try to keep him in. I don't know what's up with him. He's frightened to death. Oh. You don't need to shake that way, shaking. No, stay there. I know it's a bit of a hassle to get the shoes off.
Yeah. It's all good. Got it.
Homemade bread with honey butter.
Yeah, let's go.
Teddy, want some bread? Oh man, it's gooey too.
What did your your girlfriend thinks?
Oh, she's sick right now, so she gets flu. So better excuse for me to get out of the house and not get sick. But she's all for it. Oh, it's a little bit gooey on the inside, man. Mine is anyway.
Yeah, it's like not done.
Yeah.
Oh, we can recook it though. I'm just gonna eat the
Man,
friggin-
that's good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat the pig and the side.
Man,
Yeah,
you eat the
just
whole
re-
damn thing. The honey butter is actually pretty
What
good.
the fuck? That's sweet, man. That's crazy.
Well, there's a bit of sugar in the bread.
That's crazy.
All it is 3 cups of
Yeah,
flour.
next time I'll cook too. I was in like my concept was just like super easy. That's why. But like, I kind of want to make. Man, I'm like, there's so many different Filipino food, bro. You should fucking try it.
We had a Filipino restaurant home in St. John's. I was addicted to it. I was going there almost every day.
What, really? So you like our food then? Mine's like fused.
Dude,
bro.
I like everybody's food except for North American. I wouldn't eat international food before. And so girlfriend's from Colombia.
What do you mean North America? We're North American.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I like all foods except for North American.
Like,
Right now I do.
Yeah.
Before, like, all I would eat is, like, you know, traditional North American food.
Yeah.
And when I finally tried, you know, the first thing I tried was Indian cuisine.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god, I've been living under a rock my whole life. But you guys make these, I think they call them chapaos, the pork buns.
Yeah.
Oh my god, man. I could sit down and eat them all day.
You like the chicken or the
Pork.
pork? The freaking the shredded one?
Yep.
asado. That's what we call that one. That's the name.
So good.
So shopao, like shopao.
Oh, shopao? I
Yeah,
call it a shopao.
Yeah, shopao and fucking. That's the name of the little bread, right?
Mm.
And then the inside, there's like the deluxe. It's called that's the chicken. It's
Okay.
called deluxe. Yo, man, I should bring you some of that.
I never had that before. I only had the pork ones. And I thought they were phenomenal.
They're just like salted eggs there. You know
Yeah.
what salted egg is?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
Damn,
Like
this
whoever
bread's pretty good.
whoever invented all that. But it's good, bro.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna probably.
So damn dark. Is this the river?
There's a little bit more over there. That's where the first river crossing. But it's like this summertime is like kind of like scattered.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's more over there. Like I think the first river crossing somewhere there. Hard to see though.
I can't see anything. It's so damn dark. I can't get over it. If you're out here with no light, you'd literally be screwed.
Turn off your light. You'll see how dark it is.
Wow.
Okay, fucking
Wow.
see you, bro.
This is crazy.
Yo, it's a lot of freaking
Wow,
stars,
look
bro.
at the sky. Wow. I don't know if my camera can pick this up. This is amazing. I would love to have a time lapse of the sky. This is crazy.
Oh, there might be the Milky Way over here.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Straight above us. Right here.
Yep.
Here, you can use that actually to point it out.
What's that?
You can use that to point it out. Show the camera. Yeah, you can see it because there's like a white cluster.
Right here. It's crazy. All the way.
So it's currently 11:46 p.m. I'm gonna call it a night here. I'm pretty busy throughout the day. Finally get Teddy settled in. My God, he didn't want to be anywhere near the tent today at all. He just wants to be outside. Obviously, I can't leave him outside. It's, I believe, like -5 right now, so I'm not leaving him outside. But we get the wood stove on a slow burn here. It's pretty comfortable inside. And Teddy's finally settled down. Seems like he can get a little bit comfortable. But hopefully don't get too cold here tonight. I don't really want to have to get up and stoke the fire. Worst comes to worst, I might just turn on the Mr. Heater for a little bit just to break the chill. But I'm testing out this new mummy sleeping bag. It's downfilled, and it's supposed to be, I think, good for -10. But we'll see tonight. It's a fairly cheap bag. It was only, I believe, $106 on Amazon shipped. So see if this thing stays warm tonight, and I guess I'll see you guys in the morning.
2 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up to sound. I'm not sure if it's coyotes or wolves. It sounds like they're only probably a couple hundred feet away from the camp. Good morning. Oh. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, I didn't sleep very good. Oh, it's cold this morning. Yeah, I was warm last night. I wasn't cold. My sleeping bag is an Amazon sleeping bag. I'm actually really impressed with it, but it was just my air mattress. I'm definitely gonna have to get something better than that. It's not the most comfortable. And last night I was first woke up. I think it was like 2 a.m. There was a pack of coyotes. I believe it was coyotes now that I think about it. It's pretty close to where I camp. And Teddy, I guess, got a little bit uncomfortable now and then and was just tossing and turning, getting up, whining. But he wanted to get outside. And it got really windy over the night. It was, my God, it was cold times. I thought the tent was gonna blow over. Whew. That is nice here. Let's take a look at this. Look at those mountains. Yeah, so last night, I'd say those coyotes were around here somewhere, because that's what it sounded like. It sounded like it was coming from this direction right here. Whew, man, that wind is cold. Oh God. Whew. It's a cold one today. God, I still can't get over these views. So like where I'm from in Newfoundland, we don't have mountains like this here on the west coast. Yeah, I mean, just look at these views. The sun's coming up over the mountains. Alright, Ted, let's go back. Let's get some food. So, kind of gonna skip breakfast. Well, not gonna skip it, gonna postpone it until later. Because that spot where me and Teddy were just walking to, we're actually gonna drive over now and check it out. Apparently it's got some amazing views.
guys, those mountains. The camera don't do justice, but in person, that mountain is amazing. Alright, just back at camp here, gonna make some breakfast and then we're gonna pack up and head home. There's Teddy. Teddy! Teddy! What are you doing, boy? Get in that fly, you can be froze to death. What are you doing? Go drink some water. No? Look at you. Having fun, ain't you? Get some maple sausages here on the old cast iron skillet. Look who decided to join us for breakfast. Go on, you scavenger. What are you waiting for, scraps? Damn, they're good.
Yeah, it's good.
See if we go find this little bugger. Got him some sausages. Teddy! Where you at? Come here. Look. Come over. Want some food? Here. Want some? Bite it. You bite it. Man, bite it. Chew it up. Good. Come on. Here. You good? You want some water? Here. Come on over, bye. Daddy, get some water. Huh? Going exploring again. Can't keep you indoors at all, Gabe. What do you get to say? Did you have fun? Are you ready to go home? Alright, tear down time. See how long this takes. Alright, we'll get that all packed up. Ready to leave here now. I don't think Teddy said he's not happy about going home. But see you next time around.